Hello guys, this is Vic from MBOs and good to see all again from a beautiful nature, and we all, my friends and me all are doing some gardening projects. Actually today's we are doing the making the foundation work, where you can see that dark color soil and the very gray brown color, brownish soil, and I'm very happy to walking over this soil. And actually today we all are just doing the initial work, and tomorrow morning we're going to do the farming work, and all guys are busy with their work. Some guys are doing their work. Everyone is busy, and me too, I'm going to be busy to capture this video, and it's great. And so we'll see the progress, and I'm going to be upload by my next video, guys. पता व्यवसायी பாட்டு போடும் இல்லையா விவசாயி ஓ மோ நீங்க எடுங்க நான் இந்த இதுக்கு பேக்ரவுண்டுக்கு விவசாயியை போட்டுருவோம் Guys are working. Hi guys. Well, you remember the place? Actually, you previously watched my video clips about home gardening. So during my COVID quarantines, we did this gardening work, and right now it's filled with the plants. See,
guys,
you remember the place.
Very good morning, and
groundworks.
Today we are on the way to do our home gardening, and where you can see
the plants. I'm very happy about it,
and
because
Sindhudan
everywhere
and
is a
Siddharth
plant,
and myself,
also
whole
just
people
want to tell
are
that,
early morning going to garden,
know where to
do
express
our
how I feel
planting
at
projects.
the green nature,
Good morning, Palnianan. Yeah,
but
he's
I
the man,
show you
the rocking
people,
man, and
sometimes you forget
great.
the
And
people who
and after that
work.
we will do some kind of cutting works. Mean that the plant cutting work initially need to be prepared for this thing. So
wonderful.
We'll see
and
the progress, and so it's time to do
we did
the
the
work.
initial work
Yes.
5 months before, and now almost
where you
5
can
months,
see,
and we have another
the cutting work by the Palaniana.
sit to the
8
months now,
that's
5
the
no?
fourth day.
So
Today
you
is the
remember
third day,
this
and
guy Sindhu, the guy who danced
fourth day where we will do the initial
and
the
Siddharth,
planting work, because initially we
thought
we can do
now,
it
the plants
very soon, but due to the land
more than 6 feet.
and some kind of foundations delay, and it's time, but it's a good experience,
and
really a wonderful experience, guys.
There are small watermelon with a bigger one. Yeah. Unbelievable, huh? We did the groundwork hard, and now we are get ready to see the cultivation.
Yes.
So the final things I just want to share with you. So we'll see the final output, how that cultivation momentum, how they're going to do the ending, works. Anyway, happy gardening, and work from home, and gardening from home. Yes, okay, see you. டிக்டாக் போதும்